I have a super easy recipe for you today. It's my cheesy garlic cruffins, and boy, are they a treat. Let's get started. Okay guys, here are the ingredients. I am taking a shortcut and I'm using the garlic herb butter by Land O'Lakes, but I will have a homemade version recipe below, but this is also a very quick shortcut. So anyway, without further ado, let's get started. So first I want to chop up my chives that I'm going to be adding to the garlic butter, and it's just that simple. You just chop your chives, and then here's the garlic butter. You add them into the butter, and then you stir them around. Now, if you make it homemade, you'll be using a stick of butter and some fresh garlic minced, and then you will add in the chives. So I'm just taking a shortcut. So on a flour board, or as you can see, my countertop, and I got my little hands today, you guys. So anyway, roll out your dough. I'm not using a rolling pin, but it's better if you use a rolling pin. And I was also using the perforated crescent rolls. It's better if you get the sheet crescent rolls. It will be much easier. You don't have to play with the dough as much. Anyway, now after you've gotten your garlic butter spread on there, you got your cheese in the middle, you roll the dough up, and then you cut the dough in half. Then you cut that half in a half. And so then you take and you will roll those into little coils, is I guess the best way to say it. So you just roll it and roll it and roll it, and just try to get it as tight as you can all the way around. I got little hands helping me today. She wanted to cook with me. So we're putting them all in together, and she's gonna smash it in there. There we go, girl, smash it in there. Anyway, you guys, if you have not hit the thumbs up button for me, please do so that YouTube knows that I am here. So next, make sure your oven has been preheated to 350, and you're gonna bake these for 20 to 25 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. And you guys waited for absolutely nothing. They are done. I am brushing them with some garlic butter. I'm actually still using the Land O'Lakes, but if you want to make the homemade version of butter, I do have that listed below. So anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. Please leave your comments, and as always, I want to say enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.